Hey guys, it's Tanisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You want to know something so funny though? Let me let you in on a little secret. I actually haven't used the camera yet. The reason for that, I've low-key been in a funk. Not that much people know. I did put it on TikTok, like crashing out. My SD card broke and it had like 20 different videos. I had collab videos, so much content down the drain. So I'm just gonna be milking this DJI content to the fullest and see where it gets me.
It came! It finally came! The big one.
So this is how the box looks. It's a lot bigger than just the Osmo Pocket box, just because the creator combo comes with all this stuff here, and I'll get into that in a second. So this is what the protective cover looks like. You just place your Osmo in here and you store the wide angle lens inside. It's magnetic, so it just sticks. And then we got the mini DJI tripod. This is so cute. There was actually a video on TikTok of this girl saying like, did you guys know your G7X can work for this mini tripod? Did your girl try it? Yes, I did. Do I use it? Yes, I do. That comes in handy so much, not just for my Osmo, but for my G7X. This is really cute. And then we got the DJI Mic 2 with the Mic 2 windscreen, and then the Mic 2 magnetic clip on the back of it. Just comes off. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then you could just like put it and then it sticks to you. It also comes with a handle and a battery handle. I prefer this size connected to the camera because it just makes it even longer. And then we got the Type-C cable, and then obviously the carrying case. And last but not least, the girl of the hour, my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. She's looking so cute right now, guys. Look at the pink case that I got for her. Oh yeah, we cannot forget the strap, or else Tanisha would be dropping this 24/7. So this is how my camera looks. I just have her decked out in a silicone pink case. I have a bunch of accessories here I want to show you that I got for my camera. First things first is the silicone case. This just wraps nicely around the camera. You guys can see like all the little cutouts for the name. And I believe it's a 4-piece set. I am missing the screen protector case though. That is okay because I do not use it. The third piece is a silicone cover for the handle. And then the fourth piece is this little helmet for the top of the camera. And this is how it all looks. Just picture a pink case on top of the screen. I actually purchased a more heavy duty cover for the camera and the screen. Hold on. I can't really tap it. It's a hard plastic and it clips on. It's a shell. And I honestly, there's the clip. I prefer this to keep my camera safe versus this and the screen one. So I have a hard shell case for my camera. Don't worry guys, I'm not that irresponsible. I got a glass screen protector for the touch screen and the lens. And I'll link everything down below. I got them off of Shein. Last but not least, for my camera accessories is a magnetic one. So this is how the magnetic stand looks. Obviously I can't put it fully on right now because the silicone case, but you guys get the point. You just stick it to anything and boom, this is how the front looks. Just picture it can close and then magnetize it to any surface and film. So you guys got to see me open my Osmo Pocket 3, and you guys also saw what came in the creator combo plus my little accessories. Let me actually just show you guys how it looks turning on, and that's a wrap. So that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed me showing you guys what comes in my creator combo and my little accessory haul, please give this video a thumbs up. This was just what I needed to get back in the groove of things and out of my funk. I really appreciate you guys. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe and click the bell so you're notified whenever I upload another video. I look forward to filming more Osmo content for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, make sure you follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.